Well, hello guys, Jarek here with Bull Stocks. It is 4:42 in the morning here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be watching the AMC or watching for the AMC squeeze. Also, we are going to be doing some due diligence, reading over some things that I found on Reddit, possibly listening to some videos, and yeah, let's get on with it, guys. So, first off, uh, this is not financial advice. I am but an ape. This channel will teach you how to scalp stocks for day trading purposes. Please do not copy our trades. This one will end badly for you. By this, I just mean that the channel is a little delayed. So if I were to, like, you know, accidentally say, okay, I'm buying in now, then you would buy in at the wrong price because it's delayed. So, you know, just saying, not financial advice. I'm just a dumb ape that can't even tie his own shoes. But let's get on with it, shall we? All right, so let's go to right over here. So this is what I've pulled up. Okay, so uh, New York Stock Exchange exposes Hedgies with failure to delivers threshold securities. So I pulled this up on Reddit. It's pretty interesting. We can get into it a little bit more here. So here is threshold securities. Let's make this a little bigger for everybody. So there's AMC holdings right there. And that was on the 25th. That was the trade date. So there's that. So the cool thing about, Reddit is that you can actually go ahead and search for things and see um, where it takes you. Let's see, is this the same thing? I think this is the same thing. Yep, same thing. So what is threshold securities? A threshold security is defined by Rule 203C6 of the SEC's regulations SHO as any equity security of an issuer that is registered under Section 12 or that is required to file reports pursuant to Section 15D of the Exchange Act, where for 5 consecutive settlement days, 1, there are aggregate fails to deliver at a registered clearing agency of 10,000 shares or more per security. 2, the level of fails is equal to at least 1/2 of 1% of the issuer's total shares outstanding. And 3, the security is included on a list published by a self-regulatory organization. What is going on with that? So here's the math to prove it. Oh, and let me give credit to you /CJP underscore 123. All right, so he did this due diligence. He posted this 9 hours ago on Reddit. So here we go. So here's the math to prove it. 0.5%, 0.5% of all AMC's float is just under 501,800,000. Wow, it is early, so I am a little sleepy. But anyways, so that's what you have there. Here, let's scoot this over. Whoops. Let's scoot this over just a smidge here, just so we can keep an eye on AMC as well. All right, so document details. We won't get into that yet. Let's see, so float just under 501,800,000. 501.8 million times 0.005 equals 2.5 million. 2.5 million times 5 days equals 12.5 million shares. And remember, apes and apettes, 5 days is the minimum days required to be on here. 0.5% is the minimum percent required for this. For all we know, it could be 6 or 7 or even 33 days. At way more than 12.5 million shares. Now, probably not 33 days. So let me take that back before I spread FUD. See, we don't want to spread FUD, guys. We want truth. We want honesty. That's what we want. That's why this whole war has been put together towards the Hedgies. So we don't want to spread FUD. So once again, I'll continue reading here. But you get the point, right? Just know that Hedgies are. I gotta censor that. Whoopsies. So let's take Captain here and let's put Captain over that just for the time being here, because we don't like words like that for this little stuff here. Whoop. Let's put him there. All right, so Hedgies are messed up, and when more and more info comes out like this, the retail ape gets to expose their crooked acts even more. Sleep well, lads. We got a squeeze to prepare for. Disclaimer, I do not mean the squeeze will happen tomorrow, guys. So everything you hear here, take it with a grain of salt. This is, once again, not financial advice. This is just one ape's opinion about the squeeze. So right now in pre-market, AMC is at 58.96. Remember, guys, we want to get them over 60. Right now we're at 59. So let's keep a good eye on this stock. Let's see it fly to the moon. All right, so some of the sites that I like to look at are YOLO stocks. YOLO stocks, basically real-time Reddit meme stock tracker. This is on Wall Street Bets data. So here, let's refresh this just so we have that refreshed because it is updated. So within the last 24 hours, this was updated June 29th at 7:47 Eastern Standard Time. AMC has gone up 5 positions. Its real mentions are 829. That's 6%. So it is being mentioned quite a bit. So is SoFi, Wish, BlackBerry, Workhorse, Amazon. So there you go. There's that information. Good thing to look at in the morning when you're ready to start trading. This right here, we have Stonko Tracker, AMC. Let's refresh this. All right, so as of this morning, we have 73,701 calls in the money expiring July 2nd at $60. We have plus 28,405 calls in the money. There are 950,000 shares available to borrow, which is down significantly. It was 2,200,000 yesterday. Last I looked at it. Hey, let's take the captain out of here now. There we go. Or maybe we'll make him bigger. Oh yeah. All right. Anyways, let's put him over here. So let's see. So July 29th, 1.5%, 950,000 available. ETF available, 29,323. So there's that. Let's see. I was looking up some information. I didn't really find what I was looking for, so we can go ahead and just back out of that. Yep, nothing too recent except for the 24th. Soliciting materials, which no big deal. Another site that I was looking at is StockGrid. So StockGrid has got some good information on dark pools. So I've pulled up AMC, but let's refresh it just to make sure that we're looking at up-to-date data. AMC. All right. Wow. Where'd it go? Why isn't it pulling it up? All right, let's try this again. Just go short out of here. AMC. There it is. All right, dark pool. Let's make sure it pulls up now. There it is. Perfect. All right. So this is the dark pool data on AMC. Let's see. Average volume is 269,873,277. The volume as of, I just refreshed this, but I don't think this gets updated as often as we'd like it. Data updated at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. And look at AMC, guys. It's pushing over $59. We're getting a good little run here. So this is the 10-minute chart here. This here is the 1 minute, and let's go ahead. 1 minute, 1 day. Let's go ahead and make that a little bit easier to see. Let's see, maybe do that. Yeah, that's easier. My volume went away though. Not liking that. So it's very small, I guess, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, so we dropped right back down to 58.97, and it's looking pretty good. ENTX is not doing so hot, even though they had some news, but we don't care about that because we're following AMC. So let me get back to what I was reading on the dark pool here. So yeah, so on the 28th of June, short volume was 28,906,749. Short volume percentage is 0.5162. Short exempt volume 730,640. Total volume 55,995,004. So there's that good information there. But yeah, so it's pretty interesting. This dark pool stuff is pretty interesting. So just gonna read this out to you guys because you might not know. So short volume represents the aggregate volume by security for all short sale trades executed and reported to TRF, the ADF, or the ORF as reported by FINRA. Although it may seem noisy and rather poor factor on its own, it has been shown by squeeze metrics that higher short sale volume tends to lead to abnormal positive returns. The argument is that short sale volume mostly represents shares sold short by market makers to investors buying stock. These investors are referred to as dark pools. Since the FINRA TRF trades are from off-exchange venues, more details can be found in their white paper. The goal of this page is to show cumulative net short dollar volume, dark pool positions by securities. It is calculated by taking the net short volume minus buy volume. A positive number means that the short volume was higher than the buy volume times the closing price, taking the 20-day cumulative sum of this series. A positive position or positions money would be bullish, and negative one bearish. So there you go. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We're at $59. We're holding strong. All right, so there's the due diligence that I have now. I was looking into SEC final rules. So let's see here. Trying to find some information. Rulemaking index, final rules. Now I did find, where was it? Because these are comments. I don't want to look at that. There we go. So here's some comments made by, let's move Mr. Ape over here. Boop. Right, there we go. Actually, let's just hide them because we don't need them right now. But yeah, so we have on June 27th, Michael Clinton submitted a comment. Why are you taking so long to investigate and margin call hedge funds that are creating an unfair market within both AMC and GME by allowing them to continue to short 140% of a company, which is a deliberate sell, which knocks the price down? Why are you doing absolutely nothing to enforce 002? That was June 24th, 2001 by Michael Clinton. He sent that comment to U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. And we have Jonathan Boswell. So Jonathan Boswell, he wrote this: Dear Mr. Deles Denner, blah, 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 blah. Don't know how to say that, so I'm sorry. um, it has come to my attention that the amendment number 1 to release number 3492213, file number, I'm not going to read that, has been approved on an accelerated basis and as of June 21st, 2021. The amendment has not yet appeared within the Federal Register under the Securities and Exchange Commission subsections, documents on public inspection, nor recently published documents. I understand, as stated by the Digital Development Staff Office of the Federal Register support in response to our inquiry, that the Federal Register published documents as they are received and will not confirm that a document is in their possession until it is released for public inspection. That is usually done the day before publication. I am inquiring to request the official date of delivery of the aforesaid amendment to the Federal Register for publication, at what day and time of day, if applicable, was or is scheduled to be the amendment number 1 to release number blah blah blah, file number, forwarded to the Federal Register for publication. Your swift response is immensely appreciated. I remain grateful for your time and efforts. With gratitude, Jonathan Boswell. So, as you see, people are starting to get involved, starting to send messages to the SEC. They're trying to figure out what's going on, guys. Citadel Kenny. I thought this was great. This was super funny. So Citadel Kenny said, just margin call this bad boy. Oh, Kenny. We need that, right? We need them to get margin called. We have to get them to get margin called. Or else what's this all about? And then we've got super stonks here. So super stonk. Good day. As a member, now representative of Super Stonk, I have been able to increase my understanding of how the U.S. markets function and central role of liquidity. This awareness and education are accredited to wisdom and selfless teachings of Super Stonk community SMEs, such as you Tobit, you Tobit, you Crand, and you Renosol. I am now involved in supporting the return of logic, elegance, and transparency in the markets. I understand that entropy is natural and immoral. Opportunists will always find a way to profit from and increase the disorder. It takes work to decrease the entropy because so many profits from chaos. Hopefully, NSCC 2021-002 and SEC are able to do some of the required heavy lifting. It is exciting to finally see regulations being passed and optimistically enforced in order to curtail the egregious, oh my goodness, I am too tired, I can't even read, fraud that has become to the commonplace. 1, thank you for calculating and collecting, when applicable, SLD on each business day rather than only during the monthly option settlement periods. Thank you for calculating SLD based on observed member activity rather than based on historical and forecasted settlement activity. And 3, thank you for adopting an intraday SLD calculation collection when applicable on the first business day of monthly option settlement periods based on additional exposures that are presented by options activity submitted after the start of the day. Number 4, I agree that the proposed rule change would help strengthen NSCC's ability to maintain sufficient liquid resources to complete end-of-day settlement in the event of the member default by allowing NSCC to calculate and collect, when applicable, supplemental liquidity deposits every business day. or on an intraday basis for those from those members that pose the largest liquidity exposure NSCC on that day. So thank you, Entropic Elegance, and that is that for those. I just read you the ones all the way through pretty much the 22nd of June. So it's important to know what's going on in the world, guys. So I do like to come in here sometimes on Firefox, and when I'm searching for news, you can do it here. You can just type in AMC breaking news or what have you, or you can go into FinViz. I like to use FinViz because they have nice charts and it's very easy to present. Let's see, and oh boy, so let's type in AMC at the top. And nice thing is AMC is holding to that $59 range. Zoom out here a little bit just so we can see what it's done so far. Look at this, guys. It's like a heartbeat. It looks so good. Yesterday was a good day. Look at the steps created. It went ahead and consolidated there for a minute and then started trading sideways, and we're starting off the day good. So we'll keep that going, right? All right. I like talking to myself. All right, so here we have the AMC chart. This is the intraday or daily, and we're still looking good. We still got that nice bull flag right there. Right here, short float, 18.97%. All right, Cinemark's short interest closely matches AMC's. Shouldn't Cinemark be a meme stock too? Wow, yeah, coming from Motley Fool. They spread a crap ton of FUD, guys. Motley Fool is a fool. So they can't figure out their position on AMC. They have no idea whether they want to be bearish or bullish on it. I guess they don't have to choose, so no big deal. Anyways, moving right along here. Let's see, AMC's entertainment share price is being manipulated. Yes, it is. We know that. Motley Fool. So yeah, so that's all crap. Access wire 7.49. Investor alert. Trading restrictions. Traders with losses encouraged. AMC stock buy or sell. Investor business daily. Let's see what they say here. Where's this coming from? All right, is AMC stock a buy or sell now? Here's what fundamentals, stock chart actions, mutual fund ownership metrics say. Well, you guys know where I stand on this. Yes. Good morning. You guys know where I stand on this. I am a buy or hold, but that's me personally. That's not you guys. You guys do what you want, but my recommendation for the day is just to do your own due diligence. And I mean, it's your money. You're going to invest the way you want, but the best thing to remember is don't ever invest what you can't afford to lose, because well, let's face it, guys, we're a casino. That's what they say about us, right? The casino is open. We're dumb money. So let's be smart money and not get ourselves over leveraged there. Anyway, there's that. If you haven't yet, guys, I would appreciate if you hit the like, hit the subscribe, share, and hit that bell for notifications whenever I'm on. You can follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Twitter. So there's all those social media handles. You can look me up and see how you like my information that I put out. Let's see. So over here it says shares have been cooling off on Friday. AMC closed beneath the short-term 10-day simple moving average for only the second time since mid-May. This is actually a bullish sign. After such a torrid run, a few inside days, inside weeks would actually serve the stock well. Well, consolidation is a good thing. Whoa, I forgot to change the screen to that. This is right here. This is what I just read right there. All right, guys. So let's see what's also bullish. AMC still enjoys a comfy cushion above its fast rising 21 exponential moving average, which is approaching the 50 price level. Yeah, we're doing really good. So we're on, I believe, day 11 of holding Hedgie above $50. It's pretty nice, pretty solid moves there. Our shorts covering AMC stocks. So some observers have expressed concern over the company's huge debt load, 5.4 billion in borrowing due 1 year from now or longer as of March 31st versus total assets 10.5 billion on the balance sheet. Excuse me. Consider this stat prior to the giant gain on June 2nd over just 5 sessions of trade. May 24th to 28th, AMC obliterated the short sellers by rising as much as 203%. So in the week ended June 4th, AMC stock almost finished up 100% or more for a second straight week. Incredible, right? Super incredible. Love it. Come on, AMC. 59.05. Let's get you up over 60 in the pre-market and then keep on building on that as we keep moving. All right, so earlier this year, Wall Street Bets chat room trader on Reddit joined in unison in buying shares on bullish call options in AMC stock. They did the same in a band of other companies that had been, who cares? We already know, GME, right? Yes, go AMC, 59.14, 59.16. Keep on moving, baby. Keep on moving. Love it. All right, when a stock shows a high level of short interest and is getting bid up, you can almost count on a chain reaction of buying to occur. Why short sellers betting on decline in stock often have to do an about face. They cover their short position by buying back shares. According to the latest data analyzed by MarketSmith, the short interest or shares sold short by individual or professional investors currently 0.5 times AMC stock daily average volume of 182 million shares, or roughly 91 million shares. That's still equivalent to 18% of the stock's entire float. Still heavy, but down from 21% recently. Plus, that amount may be skewed by the dramatic rise in daily share turnover. Guys, that's a 4-bar play right there above VWAP, guys. That's looking really good. That's really good. Let's go AMC. Let's zoom into this action going on here. There we go. So I don't know what is going on with my chart here. Come on. This is interesting that this is coming up like this. I'm really not sure what is going on with my charts. This one looks better. I don't know what's going on with this one. Oh, it's because this one's got the MACD on it as well. So as you see, high for pre-market is 59.4. Let's go to a bigger screen. See it this way. Look at that, guys. Is that just pretty or what? I don't think I need to be that big anymore. Let's make me a little smaller. Ooh, there we go. It's a good size. All right, so 59.49. Come on, we are pushing. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's see, so some news came out today. Wall Street stock mix news. New edition, Sophie Technology. Who cares? Let's stick to AMC. See, guys, what I'm starting to see is with AMC doing what it's doing. That way, yeah, that way. What AMC is doing is awesome. We are constantly, slowly pushing up that price. And what these this news that keeps coming out is doing, this is trying to move our attention away from AMC into other stocks. Well, guys, we need to be honed in. We need to focus like we've never focused before. Our little ape brains need to, be as dumb as we can and just stay laser focused on AMC. That's what I'm doing. Staying laser focused. Sure, I'm doing a little tiny bit of day trading, but that's just to, keep building my account. Um, but yeah, guys, stay laser focused. AMC. Don't give in to the nonsense that's out there. I mean, even having AMC up here, the news it's pulling, really, like, who cares? I don't care about SoFi. I really don't. Workhorse, I don't care. Yes, Wall Street bets, sure. But AMC's just in there, but that's on the 28th. Where's the news for today? All right, AMC hit 59.50 in pre-market. Come on, baby, get up over that 60, and we are good to go. So just gonna zoom out of the chart here for you guys. Look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful thing to see. Such a good sight, in the early morning. But yeah, this is gonna be an amazing journey. Just amazing. So I typically watch the RSI, as I've told you guys before on yesterday's live stream where I was testing my equipment because I had no idea how long my equipment can last. Will it overheat? Um, that sort of thing. So I'm super happy that it is working and oh, not overheating. So for those of you that don't know what time I wake up, I actually woke up at 2 in the morning. This is just my first cup of coffee. And yeah, I'm super excited about AMC and what it's doing. Let's go ahead and minimize that. There we go. So let's focus. Let's get laser focused on AMC. Zoom back in, take a look at the candles, see what's going on. That's a good increase in volume there. Let's close the news. Let's look at level twos. What are we looking at? Pretty big sell wall at 59.50. Yep, that's a decent sell wall right there. And also do time and sales, so you can kind of check that out. It's just a matter of preference. So wonder what it's going to do. So for those of you that don't know, I've got these indicators set up here. So this one is the 200 EMA. This one here is the 50 EMA. This is the VWAP. And this one here is the 20 EMA. The reason I have these set up the way that I do is because this is how I day trade. And I also just pay attention to these indicators. I pay attention to crossovers. Down here you have the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Just kind of gives you an idea whether the stock is overbought or oversold. It helps to determine the trend. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Is it stale? Is it just trading sideways? seem to have been working pretty well for me here and there. So let's just continue to watch AMC. It is now 5:17 a.m. here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Super excited to go on this journey with you guys. Yeah, there's that sell off right there. Hopefully it likes this. It will stay above that $59. That would be super great. Oh, and the platform that I'm using is Thinkorswim. That's through TD Ameritrade. I've noticed that I have a lot less problems with this platform as opposed to some of the other ones. Webull is also a really good one, and I will go ahead and pull that up for you guys because I do enjoy watching Webull as well. So unlock. There we go. So this is my Webull account, and let's see here. I guess I need to set that up. All right, here's AMC. As you can see, I've got 14 shares at $13.94. I like Webull because it's got really nice coloring in their charts. What I have set up here is Super Trend, and Super Trend is just an indicator in Webull that will tell you roughly, and remember, it's just you got to back test it. You got to try it out yourself and see how it works for yourself. But what it does is it tells you when to buy, when to sell. It is free, costs nothing. Also, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, because you're just getting into trading, go ahead and hit the information right below. You'll get the link, and with that link, you'll get, I believe it's two stocks right now. If you sign up and deposit over $100, I believe, or over $200, something like that. Here, I will show you, or actually, I don't need to show you. You guys can find it. You're good. You're smart people. So yeah, 58.11. AMC's doing great. Let's take a look, see what we've got here. So 27 minutes ago, Fast and Furious debut fails to lift theater stocks. Why AMC is different? Well, we know why AMC is different, guys. That's not news. That's just somebody being bored. And that's Dow Jones. Yep. So if you guys haven't already noticed, with AMC, they're really within the past, since January, we'll call it since January, since the retail investor has gotten its hands on AMC and started to control the stock, we have seen quite a bit of change. And a lot of people don't understand that. Yeah, we're messing with it. Sure, hedge funds are messing with it. But what had happened was that with all this stuff going on, AMC's competitors were dropping out. I mean, they couldn't last the the coronavirus. They couldn't sustain staying in business, but AMC did. And I am curious why nothing's changing on that chart, because we're not. There we go. So this is also why I like TD Ameritrade, because it's after hours, and you can do that on Webull as well. I just don't have it turned on. So let's go back to the chart. There you go. And it looks like, did we hit a new high? No, not yet. 59.50 is the high of the morning here in pre-market. And so to have complete transparency, guys, I will show you my my account, how many shares I have. So you don't actually get to see my account number, but you do get to see that I am in AMC. I've been AMC since $49.24. This time around, I did make a dumb move and I sold when I had it at $7. I sold it at 13, made some money, and yeah. So I feel kind of dumb for doing that, but it's okay. I am an ape. I make dumb moves sometimes. It's okay. Supposedly I'm dumb money, but yet my account keeps increasing. Anyways, so we are taking a little pullback here. Right now we are at the 20 EMA, and hopefully it uses that as support. Yesterday was a fun day. So today, so far, I'm up $112 for the day in profit on AMC. Now, something I do want to make super clear to everybody that's out there or whoever listens to this. So you don't actually profit until you sell. So, whatever that number is for you guys, I'm probably going to be holding until January or however long it takes. Guys, I'm in this to win it. I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat it. I'm ready for this thing to go to the moon and past with all the information that's out there on, naked shorts, synthetic shares, the dark pool. Guys, it's a little overwhelming. And if I'm overwhelmed with all this information, how do you think Hedgie feels? I mean, some of the pictures that have gone out there of Shitadel, yeah, have been priceless. So AMC at 59.24. It is trying really hard to bounce. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm tired. Woo. Second day of live stream. Going good. I've got nobody watching, so it's solid. Rome was not built in one day, guys. It wasn't. Let's see. Let me check. I'm sure I've got some fun things out here. Excuse me. Getting some messages. Looks like people are starting to wake up. I guess people like to sleep in. I don't know. Oh yeah. Hey, let's take a look at let's check and see what's cooking out there. What do we got? What's taking off? So okay. Wow, Marion Software is still going up. It's at 948. It's up from $7.50, which it closed at yesterday. It's up to 946. So MRIN. So let me go to my Facebook group and do the little watch list thingy that I like to do for people. Hey, where are you at? All right, it's not opening. So let's go down here. All right, Facebook. And while we're doing this, still holding AMC with me. Oh yeah. I'm not selling. Wow, Jared, fingers. All right, so let's go to bull stocks here. Am I already in bull stocks? What's going on here? Come on, Jarek. Am I just asleep? There we go. All right, so guys, so this is our bull stocks group. It's on Facebook. Okay. So in here, I'll typically post, yesterday I posted MRIN, AMC, ALF. This is where I'll post things that I'm keeping an eye on. So once again, good morning, traders. So let's go with MRIN. Let's see, what else can we see here? MRIN. You got BSQR, good volume. BSQR. And what else do we have here? I typically don't like to call out anything that's under $1, so it's what we'll try to stay away from. There's a lot of stuff trading high volume. There's that. Just getting text after text after text. So what else? What else? What else? What else? What are we seeing here? Yeah, it had high volume. Let's take a look at these. Minimize. No, minimize. Don't need to minimize that. Go to charts here. Come on, AMC 5920. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So stick with that. Let's change my studies here. So I've already got some studies set up. So study set, I like my EMAs, VWAP, and MACD. So here's that. But, because I'm a little tired of the MACD. I'll probably end up removing it. So edit studies. Once again, this is Think or Swim. Edit studies, I will remove the MACD. All right, so we've got the 50, the 20, and the 200, and the VWAP. I like those. Let's throw in RSI because I like RSI. So RSI, there we go. And apply and okay. So there we go. So this is how I like my chart set up for morning trading. I typically hold on to this same setup. So What was that? Did I get a message here? Maybe. All right, so Excel. So let's look these up: MRIN, BSQR, and Excel. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave AMC sitting right here, sitting pretty. So MRIN. What was it? BQSR, I think. No, I'm tired. BSQR. BSQR. So there we go. Let's take a look-see here. What are we looking at? I had a nice run, yeah. So it looks like in after hours yesterday, it started taking off. Yeah, there it is, taking off. And then Tuesday, boom. What's the news? Okay, doesn't say any news. Wow, interesting. No news. Wonderful. So be very careful with BSQR. Let's take a look at FinViz and see if it's got any information on FinViz. BSQR. So this is what the chart looks like, guys, on FinViz. This is the daily. You can look at it up here. So let's see what's on the monthly. Well, so if history repeats itself, this was 2011, this is 2016, dropped down to an all-time low, looks like 95 cents, and then it took off to $11.79. Looks like it's kind of tapering off, but once again, no news. Short float 6.37%. Oh wow, the news is all the way back from, wow, news is all the way back from June 13th. Good stock to buy. Let's see what the twits are saying. Stock twits. Yeah, there's no catalyst. What's going on? Gonna tank at open, sell now. Yeah, just be careful. Be careful when there's no catalyst. We got to be careful. AMC back at 59.33, so it's looking good. It's doing a it's doing a good little move here. So if this candle turns green and goes a little higher, we've got a 3-bar play. All right, so let's see, we've got that one, Xela, XELA. Any news? Oh, that's horrible. Whoa. That is a monthly chart, so it did scare me a little bit there. Ah, guys, be very careful with this one. This one's looking like a pumpy and dumpy. Excel Technologies adds robotic process automation RPA platform for a large health insurance company. So, all right, so it's got a little catalyst. What? What is this? Hang on 1 second, guys. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Keep going. Keep going, AMC. Sorry guys, getting some messages. Okay, so we're looking pretty good. 59.30. All right, so be careful with this one. Yes, there's catalyst. It's a little freaky because look where it's at. Here's June 29th. It jumped up to 250 from $1.48. It's a little sketchy. So careful with that one. And what else did we have here? AUD, AUUD. What's going on with AUD? So let's take a look. Whoopsies. Look at that spike. Woo-wee. That's the daily AUD announced release. National launch of flagship. Excuse me. Audi app ahead of schedule. So this is Access Wire. This is Yahoo Finance. All right. So let's take a look back at Mr. AMC here, because it doesn't look like I've got too much to put on my watch list for today. We shall see. All right, come on. Oh yeah, it's gonna go ahead and break its high of pre-market of 59.50. It's at 59.45. Let's go, baby. Keep on going. Push on. 59.46. Come on, baby. You can do it. Let's change this back to C. Who wants to know how GME is doing? See how GME is doing as well. All right, so GME is hibernating at 215. AMC is really trying to push it up there. Oh, hey, I just noticed. So when you do when you edit your studies in the VWAP, you have the high and the low band. So that's what this is. And so I typically take those out. There we go. All you got to do is double click it. So you have your VWAP. Here's your settings for the VWAP. So you got your upper band. That's that pink one. To get rid of it, you just clear those. You don't have to hit OK yet. To get the lower band to go away, you just click those off. I don't use these bands. I don't really care about them. So hit apply and OK, and then there you go. You have your nice clean chart. Sometimes people get there's just too many indicators that they put up. So here, this is already too much for me. Like, it's just a lot of stuff to watch. With these indicators here, the EMAs and the VWAP, and then the RSI, I feel like that's a good, solid, quiver of indicators. Man, I think I'm gonna have to get some coffee here in a second. I've got nobody in the chat room, so yeah, this is just a live stream for me. And I'm going to make, oh, look at that. Somebody's watching. That's great. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Say hi in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Totally say no. That's funny. All right, all right, all right. Let's get this going, guys. Come on. AMC, let's go. So right now we have AMC at 59.35, GME at 25, 25.90, 25, yeah, 25.90. Geez, wow, 25.90. What is wrong with me? Maybe I'm a little tired. 215.90. There we go. What do you think? Some of the trending stocks, Wish, Mern, Sarah, or Wow. One of my favorite cannabis penny stocks. Heddy Tide is number one on stock twist trend. There is another one that I want to buy back. Well, I think it's a good move. I would definitely, I mean, we do have to stay laser focused on AMC, but um, you know, if you're day trading, it's always a good idea to jump around a little bit. You know, keep your stock, the ones that you want to hold, have certain funds set aside for that, and then have a separate part of your portfolio or a separate part of your account set for day trading. So I know myself, I typically try not to day trade over $4,000. That's my personal opinion. Don't do not follow my advice because that is I'm just a dumb ape. So I think it's a good idea to um, go into other stocks during the day and make some extra money here and there. So then you can, I mean, if you have a day where you make a couple $100, now you've increased your account, then you can take some of that money and carry it over into AMC while it's still at a discounted price. That is not financial advice. That is just an ape's opinion. Um, all right, come on, AMC 59.42. It is trying super hard to get itself over that 59.50. Um, let's close that. This, get that out of there, close that. So, yeah, pretty good stuff. Yeah, kind of like I've already said, if you read right here, why AMC and GME are the catalyst for our next market crash. Well, we know why. Because there's a ton of hedge funds that are messing with AMC and GME, so they're not going to survive. And, it is what it is. A lot of people are going to lose money, a lot of people are going to make money. That's what the stock market is. It's an exchange of wealth. It goes, here's my money here. And then it goes, here's my money here. There you go. There you go. That's how it works. Um, every trader, everybody that's been on a trading platform has experienced a hefty loss at some point, and hopefully, I like to think about it as it's like it's paying your dues. I mean, you learn a lot from failure, or at least I do. And I would have to say that if you don't look at it that way, then there's going to be an issue. Um, but look at every one of your trades and back test it. As I was saying yesterday, you can back test and I'm going to make some videos about all this stuff just so people can see. But as of right now, I'm connected real time, and you guys can't see that. But here, let's drop this down a little bit so you guys can see it. Let's minimize that. All right. So here you go. So this is what I have actually available right now to play with, because I'm in EXNT, ENXT. Okay, I can't figure out what I'm in. Can't remember how to ENTX. There we go. So I'm in this one. I'm in pretty heavy. I've got about 800 shares of this. So I'm just waiting for this to go up because there is a little bit of catalyst. Entera Bio shares spike higher following company press release highlighting upcoming June 30th conference call to discuss a pill that you can take. It's first oral bone building agent for the treatment of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a big thing, so I feel like this company's been up in the tens before, so I feel like there's the 184 4 hours. So here, so the odds of it getting back up to $10 are pretty good. It did just get a rating from B. Riley, which honestly I don't give a crap about analysts and what they rate companies, because unfortunately I know that there's a lot of FUD being spread by different analysts that get paid some money for putting out articles and putting a buy rating or a neutral rating on things. So, take it with a grain of salt. So, B. Riley raised Entera's Bio's PT to $14 from $9, and they're keeping a buy rating on it. So whatever. I'm just hoping. I mean, I'm pretty good and pretty accurate at reading my charts. I think it's probably going to get back up to 10 plus after the conference, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be some good news about it. Now, you do what you do. I'm just an ape. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only entertainment purposes, and you need to do your own DD. So for those of you that are just joining me, here is my little disclaimer. So this channel will teach you how to scalp stocks for day trading purposes. Please do not copy our trades. This will end badly for you. The reason it will end badly for you is because the stream is a little delayed. So if you sit there and you try to follow my buys and my sells, guess what? Instead of buying at $2, well, now it's delayed. Now the stock spiked. Now you're buying at $2.50. Well, unfortunately, that's where it tapered off, and that's where it died, and it drops right back down. Now you're mad at me because I gave you bad advice. So this is my disclaimer, and you should follow your own rules and do your own due diligence. I will put a video out on rules and why I think every trader should have rules. But anyways, so ears, I also have some money in the ears, and I'm just waiting for ears to do something. So medical to initiate market launch of Bentrio nasal spray in Germany. Well, let's see if this stock decides to do anything. It has been bullish for the past 180 days, as you can see here. So you see that nice straight line, 248 to 366. It is moving up and up and up. So slowly but surely, I hope it goes and does something. I am not planning on holding this for a long time. I'm looking to possibly get out somewhere in the $4 range, maybe five. I don't know. Doesn't matter. But yeah, so AMC. So what I wanted to show you while the market is still not open, it's 5:52 a.m. here in Las Vegas, Nevada. AMC is dropping to 59.06. Come on, AMC, hang tight. Stay above VWAP. Let's go, baby. I'm going to change to this one to the 5-minute chart just because I like to see the pattern that it does. And come on, no, AMC, come on, bounce, baby. If you guys are in the chat, say hi in the comments, just so I can say hi back. Let's see. So what I want to show you guys is on Thinkorswim with TD Ameritrade. Right now, I am connected. Let's get out of here. Screen recording. There we go. What's up, buddy? Cool. Thanks for joining. All right. So Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. Over here, up in the right-hand corner, you'll notice an on-demand button. Over here, right above options, I can't get too high because then, oh, you know what? I can actually do that because I can hide my account. Show you guys my account here. So there's how much I have in it, so don't worry about that. Anyways, I can hide my account. And now I can show you up here, you have connected real-time data. Okay? So right now this is real money. If you come over here to this on-demand button right here, here's your real-time data connected. Okay? If you come over here, click on that. Now you're in the paper trading. So this is not real money, but when you're doing this, I want you to think that it is real money. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that again so I can show you guys what's going on here. So this is how much I've accumulated in this account just by playing it. You know, when I get in a rut, it's good to back test. When you get in a rut, it's good to just to see what's going on, how you're getting it wrong. And I like to use stocks that are super volatile. So you've got AMC, you can play around with AMC. Oh, and by the way, when you start the paper account, the paper trading, they give you 100,000, I believe. It's been a while, so I don't know. It does take time to build up your money, guys. It's not a get rich overnight thing like a lot of traders think when they first get into it. Oh yeah, you know, my buddy's making money in the stock market, I'm gonna jump in. And yeah, it doesn't work out that way. You will experience some luck at first, and that's how traders get all stupid about it. They think that they can't lose, and then, you know, they invest too much, and then they get stuck in a trade, and then they lose, and then they wipe out their entire account. So this is not real-time data. If you look right here, let's see, oh, you can't see that, so let me drop that again. There we go, perfect. So if you look right here, this is where you can set up the date that you want to basically, you know, test. You can click on that and you can change the date to whatever you want. So let's say the 12th. All right, there you go. So it changes everything to the 12th. And so AMC on the 12th of April was at a low of $8.51. So you can speed this up. You can jump days, speed it up right here, fast forward. So it does it 3 times fast. So it's pretty cool because you can speed up your trading a little bit. So there you go. All right, nice and easy. Hope that helps somebody out. I got 41 subscribers. Yes, I do, sir. Yes, I do. It's getting there. Slowly building. Yes, sir. Slowly building. Okay, so now that everybody knows how to do that, to get out of on demand, you basically click it again and it throws you into real money trading. So once again, there's my account. That's how much I have in there. Liquid day trade. I don't have much to play with today, so I'm staying quiet on that. I'm just watching AMC, waiting for it to rocket. Also looking at some other stocks. Let's see. Looks like I keep getting some messages. Where's that coming from? Let's change. Let's see how the Facebook group is going. I didn't send that yet. So I just sent my my small watch list. I don't have a whole lot to watch today. I sent that out just right now. Let's see if anything's changed here before we hit 6 o'clock. No, just these top four. This is what I'm watching right now. Xella, Marin, BSQR, AUUD. Those look pretty good for right now. Had a friend ask me about some stocks here. So let me take a quick look here. We'll go ahead and we'll go back to AMC whilst it busts through this resistance at 59.50. Oh wow, look at that. A lot of people setting their sells at 62 bucks, 62.11. That's interesting. Probably gonna have to go grab some coffee here in a minute. Let's see here. Yeah, Wish is pretty good. Wish has been on fire for a minute. And it looks like it hit a low of 752 a while ago. Now it's up to 14. Its 180 day high was 32.85. And once again, this is the 4-hour 180. Okay, so let's check. All right, so it looks like there's, I think I just saw big sell wall. Huh. All right, well, anyways, it disappeared. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 minute real quick. So it looks like it might be setting up to be a bear trap. But it's pre-market, so just be careful with pre-market. It's below its 200 EMA, it's below the VWAP, it's below the 50 EMA, and it is below the 20 EMA. So is it a good time to buy? I don't know. Possibly. It's low. What's the low of the day? So 1380. So 1380, let's check here. So let's see where we sit, how close we are to that 1380 mark. Oh yeah, so we got some room still to go to the low. So it's holding up pretty good, but once again, it's below the VWAP, which makes me very hesitant to do anything with this. So there's Wish. What else? What else do we have here? Marin, yeah, Marin's definitely good. Let's see what this Hitty is. HITI. Let's see what it's been doing. So AMC 59.25 is kind of hanging out. If you guys want me to take a look at any tickers, just type them in the chat. All right. All right, let's get rid of bull stocks there for a minute because it keeps chiming. All right, so let's see, HITI. Wow, it had a nice little run from 803 to 893 this morning. Let's take a look at the 180 4-hour. Woo, look at that. All the way to $10. So yeah, so this is a good stock there, Bobby. Good stuff, bud. Good call. I'm gonna put that in the chat so you can see it when you come back. Might revisit the $10 range. Yeah, so this looks good. Let's see, any catalysts? High tide shares are trading higher after the company reported Q2 earnings results. Awesome. High tide posts 99% higher revenue record adjusted. Wow. Yeah, good job, Bobby. That's a good one. Looking good, buddy. All right, so let's see how we're doing here. So let's check that. All right, it's trying. Like I said, I've got money invested in ENTX, so I want it to go up so I can get out. Ears is not doing much at all, really. So let's just focus on AMC and this amazing thing that it's doing, because it's going to get over 60, and that's going to make us happy. I'm going to leave this screen on AMC. I'm going to bring out Captain Ape and let him hang out in. We'll let him hang out right here. What do you? Not sure. Yeah, let's put him right here. Maybe down at the bottom. Yeah, let's put him right here. Yep, that sounds good. Let's put the AMC logo underneath him because we love our AMC and we're going to see it go to the moon. Come on. Nope. There we go. AMC, baby. To the frickin' moon. So many naysayers. We're going to prove them all wrong, though. So there's your AMC, and then let's go ahead and throw this out there so people don't copy. Whoopsies. Let's undo that. Like I said, I'm a little tired, so There's that. There we go. Good. Now we're all set up. All right, so let's see at AMC. I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee. Leave you guys be here. Whoever's in the chat room, if there's anybody in the chat room, I can't really see. But yeah, let's get it on, guys. Let's get this day started. It is 6:07 in the morning here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's gonna be another hot day, and I am loving it. I love it. For those of you that don't know, I'm also a realtor, so I get to run around the town most of the day. Today, I'll be out of here probably somewhere around 8 o'clock, but I will be live streaming until then, watching this AMC squeeze come to fruition, and I believe it's going to be very soon. I think that Hedgie is running out of moves, and I think there are more retail investors jumping on board for fear of missing out on the biggest historical event since the market crash of 2008. So, yes, let's go, baby. AMC, stay above 59 for me. Come on, baby. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Be right back. Actually, I don't want to leave you guys just chilling and hanging out by yourselves. I'm gonna go ahead and do something. We'll do this. Let's see who's on live. Who's live right now? Oh, I am. Look at that. And then we got Matt Kors. He's on right now. And let's see, is Trey on right now? No. Um, all right, I'm back. Got you hooked into my iPhone and working on other stuff on desktop. Question about running some funds or to buy some quick trending stocks, Wish or others. Yes, sir. So, oh, maybe you didn't see the comment. I'll re-comment it. But yeah, here it is. Yes, dude, I think HITI is a good stock, and yes, I also play with other stocks during the time of the AMC movement. Um, Heck yeah, buddy, awesome. Yeah, good stuff on HITI. I see that thing going probably back up to $10 range easy. Um, with good earnings and good fundamentals. I think it's solid. So yeah, rock and roll. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to go grab some coffee. Yes, so Trey's on right now. Awesome. Yeah. All right, so very briefly, while I'm going to grab some coffee, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this over for you guys, and you can listen to Trey.
Validating, trading sideways after a nice move up from 57.50 to 59.50. That's a $2 swing, and it's consolidating right beneath that. That's strength. That's pretty solid. I love that. Head taps then. I love it. I love it. No
So
hard
there's Trey
taps.
real
No
quick
hard, only
to,
light taps.
to
Only
watch
light
while
taps.
I'm
Only
grabbing
light
some
taps.
coffee.
We're good.
Excuse me, guys.
New Twitter ape. I gotta scroll back up. Dang, Donnie. Trey, send you a DM on Twitter about meeting up this week. Hope everything goes well for you this week. Long story short, we can't make it. Sucks, but so is the life of a single dad waiting for tendies. AMCP, Ban J. Don't worry, Donnie, man. We'll make something happen. We'll make something happen. Peace be with you, brother. Absolutely. Peace be with you. Shout out, please. 8 Polly. I'll check you out real quick, man. For sure. I try to follow a couple people a day so I can just get a feel for everything that's going on in the community. Here you go, man. Don't feel guilty. You are making a huge difference in my life, baby. AP, you're no longer about money. It's principle. Lori, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. But I don't think that, I feel like this is a very, very rare opportunity. I don't even feel that way. I just know it. I know that AMC is a rare opportunity. This is something that is once in a lifetime. It really is. It's once in a lifetime. It's for that 1 in a million chance, Like, think about this. I'm not even, like, this is just the facts. This is the truth. I was the first AMC channel to start talking about AMC. I talked about it before it was cool. I talked about it $5, And all the research that thousands of people did that I accumulated together, I got to essentially have the pleasure of showcasing on the channel ended up being true. It was right. It went up, That's a very rare opportunity. This is one of the best performing stocks in the market. 1 out of 3, It's incredible. So to pass that up, how can you do it? You just can't. I gotta stick true to my conviction, I have to. Should we be looking at other meme stocks like BlackBerry? You can play other meme stocks if you want. They're going to be sympathy plays. BlackBerry is going to be a sympathy play. It's not going to go up as much as AMC, in my opinion. Can you sing Josh Turner, Your Man to Lamp? You like that, huh? You like that. My 14-year-old son was diagnosed with Tourette syndrome 3 years ago. Ape-sized donation to Tourette's Association of America. Thanks, Trey. Love you, bro. Hey, well, I hope your son's happy and healthy, and I'm sure you're giving him all the love he needs. That's awesome. I'm happy for you. Yes, sir. Those blue light glasses make you look Trey Spider. It's funny you say that, Trey Spider. I thought you died. I thought I killed you with my spoon. I'm gonna smack my screen. Get out of here. Get out. Go. Get. Oh man. Is it outpatient surgery? So the surgery will be in Oklahoma City. I'm not gonna say where though. Jeremy, appreciate that. Good vibes sent your way from ApeCon crew. Hope to see you there when we get to party. You're the best, bro. I will definitely be there. It's going to be in January from what I know. And I'll definitely be there for sure. What is this? I love that. Oh, geez. Holy Toledo has made it into my vernacular. Beautiful. I love it. Jeremy says, tell Sarah no more nursing soon because of you and Matt. Hope your dreams come true and ours. Rock on, your energy is contagious. No negativity. Sarah's not gonna be a nurse. She wants to be a doctor, but I'll pass that along for sure. Yeah.
Hey guys, Trey should put on some glasses. He needs his glasses for the computer. Silly man. Silly
all right,
ape.
Trey, you're really one of the good guys. I send my prayers up to you. The Lord will heal your heart. RJ Lee, I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, RJ. So we're currently sitting at $59.17 or so. Level 2s have spread out a pretty decent amount, so now you've got a little more supply on the ask, making it a little more difficult to get to, there's more availability, right? You're not going to have as much push in large chunks because it just takes some push through those small spreads first.
All right. So now that I'm back, I'm going to go ahead and get Trey out of here. Love you, man. Peace out. There we go. Okay. So as we had it before, we are at 59.19. Once again, I'm going to take off Active Trader. Active Trader is super easy to use. You can set up your quantity here, and it's the really cool part about it here. Let me take off time sales. Cool part about it is you've got presets here. You can say, 500, boom, there it is. You can say auto send, which I always have off when it comes to AMC. I don't want there to be any questions whether I sold AMC or I didn't because of a mistake. So, not going to do that. Template, you can do single OCO, trailing with brackets, all that stuff. So, where are we now? So, let's get that back to 100. You can hit the buy market, sell market, not in pre-market though, obviously. Let's see here. Come on, baby. It's doing good. It's bouncing off of the VWAP, but I would really love it to get up over the 59 mark and get up to the 60s. I think that's where we need to be for this to work out well for us. So what you're looking at down here is this is the level 2. So these are people selling over here. And these are people buying over here. Not a big deal. If you have any questions about Thinkorswim, just let me know. I will answer them for you. And come on, baby, stay up, AMC. Come on. Hmm. All right. So let's check out what the other ones are doing. So we got MRIN. What had happened was, let's take the L2 off there. So we got AMC up top. This is a 5 minute, so let me change that to a 1 minute. Let's go ahead and take that down a notch. I don't know what is up with this chart. This chart's just looking all sorts of funky. I don't like it. So let's do this. Let's change this into MRIN. Because I don't care. Let's change this into AMC. There we go. Let's change this into what other one? AUD. I think that's what it was. And it looks like it's falling down. It's falling down. Don't hurt yourself. And ears. Hey, ears went up a little bit. Look at that. It finally moved off the 366. Oh gosh. That's super funny. Wow. All right. So yes, it moved to 372. So that's cool. From 366. AMC starting to do a little run here. Looks like AMC is going to try and pull something out of a hat here. It is doing a beautiful move, guys. Awesome. Let's keep it going. AMC, baby. 59.40. Come on. It's had a little bit of resistance right up here. This is where it gets smacked down. So, as I was pointing out yesterday, I am a firm believer in 3-line strikes. And so the 3-line strike is right over here. So to me, it looks like it's going to keep going. So you got 1 red candle, 2 red candle, 3 red candle. I'm going to go ahead and circle these and move it in a minute because I may have gone a little far. But like I said, you can use the little circle tool. You can move it with the little clicker. And adjust it to the size that you want in here if you're trying to point out something. So I'm trying to point out this 3-line strike here. Hopefully this works out for AMC, and it looks like it's going to. Throw up another green candle right here. That would be wonderful, because then it would go 3-line strike into a 3-bar play above VWAP, which is always a strong indicator that I like to watch. So there you have it there. All right. So there we go. Let's keep watching AMC and the run to the moon, baby. So also, when I do throw up something like that, I also like to throw some text in there, just if anybody catches the stream a little late and they're not listening very well, then they know that I'm showing a 3-line strike above VWAP. A strong bullish pattern. There we go. So there you go. Just keep doing that as we go. So 3-line strike above VWAP, strong bullish pattern. Good. Hopefully it hangs on to it. Tried a 3-line strike there. It didn't work out. Let's see here. What we got? Okie dokie. Well, so market's going to open up here in about 6 minutes. It is 6:24 in the morning here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are watching AMC and the movement of the apes, which will be in history books. I can guarantee it, because the mother of all short squeezes is coming. It's just, there's too many eyeballs on AMC right now for nothing to be done. The SEC is going to have to start making some changes, because what hedge funds are doing to companies like AMC, GME, companies that people enjoy, they're bankrupting them. They're crushing them. And now with this movement, I think we can finally get a grasp on the market and get the same information as everybody else, level the playing field. That's all I care about, is level the damn playing field. Like, I think if the playing field's leveled out, we get the same information, everything's put out there, hedge funds put their information out, so we know what they're doing, what they're trading, all that stuff. It would just make it so much easier, so much better for everybody. Yes, ideas for entertainment purposes only. We'll go back to this chart here. So AUUD, that one's interesting. It's hitting the 200 EMA. MACD's turning green. It did just bottom out on the RSI. It's looking like it's trying to do something, but once again, for entertainment purposes only. It's below VWAP, so I'm not very certain about that one. For somebody using $300 to play with, I've got about $228 to play with, but like I said, it's just going to be a fun day. So let's see MRIN. Maybe MRIN. I think it's looking pretty good. Although, if you look here, it got shot down at 9:49. It got shut down again when it hit VWAP at 964. And then once again, it tried and it got shut down at 946. So I would only play this above VWAP. I think that would be a safe move there, buddy. All right, AMC pushing. It is at 59.44. High of the pre-market is 59.50. Let's see it get above it. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, AMC. Stop getting smacked down, man. You're better than that, AMC. You're better than that. Believe in yourself, AMC. Come on, baby. You can do it. Let's go. I believe in you. Just kidding. I do believe in it, but, you know, I'm not an actor. Come on, baby. You can do it. All right, here we go. It's getting froggy. I think it wants to jump. Whoa, what the heck just happened? Push the button. Yeah, ooh, hot coffee, so good. Come on, 49.40, 59.40. Come on, get up there. It's just getting, it's just getting dumped on. It looks like it's doing good, and then all of a sudden it gets kicked back down. 59. Ah, come on. Yeah, get off of VWAP. Come on, baby. No, 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 no. All right, markets opened on my side, so this is what we're getting. All right, stay above 59, market open. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Bounce off that VWAP. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, AMC. We know what we're doing. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, AMC. Yeah. Come on, get up to 60. Let's go. Get up in that 60 range. Let's go, baby. This is what I'm talking about. So this is the fun stuff to watch. Okay? Totally fun stuff to watch. AMC rallying. It is rallying. Let's go. All right. Let's do a quick little tick-tock. And 15 seconds. Hey traders, AMC rallying after open. Looks like they try to knock us down, but we kick their butts. And right now we're pushing 60 bucks, $60.25. Let's go, baby. Keep on climbing, AMC. Yeah, AMC to the moon. Here it goes. Come on. Get up there. Oh, yeah, $60.20. Come on. You can do it. Let's go, AMC. Pump it. Looking good, guys. We are looking good. Yeah. $60.33. This is it, guys. We are moving. We're doing good. We are pushing forward. I think it's going to be a super day for AMC and the apes. Hedgie is going to be choking on his shorts because he's going to eat his shorts, man. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Let's keep it flying. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boom, baby. Boom. AMC to the freaking moon. Let's go, baby. Keep on coming. Come on. Ah, I love it when these indicators get spread out nice. Come on, baby. You can do it. Stay above 60. Oh, it's looking so good. Remember, a little bit of consolidation is a healthy thing. So one red candle I'll be good with, and now the green one. Come on. Now we got a 3-bar play. Let's go. Let's do a nice 3-bar play. It's coming, guys. $61. Can we get $61? Do I hear $61? Let's go, baby. $61. Here it is. There it is. Boom. 61 bucks. Let's go. Keep it going. Finish that candle. Finish that candle. Make it green. All the way. All the way. Come on. Push. Oh, man. What a beautiful sight to see. AMC, $61. Come on, baby. Finish strong. Let's go. Close that candle at $61. Oh, man. It's trying so hard. So hard. There we go. Okay, so that right there we'll call a 3-bar strike. I mean, a 3-bar play. Um, Looking pretty good. Hopefully that's not a bullish engulfing candle. I don't like bullish engulfing candles. They're jerks. But we're doing good, guys. We are doing good. Come on, we can do this. Come on, AMC, stay above 60. Come on, you can do it. Bounce off of VWAP. Get up there. Man, woo. Those openings, they're always rough. But I see that we are definitely pushing hard. There's a lot of money circulating right now. Why are people selling? Come on, stop selling, guys. Knock it off. Hang on to your money. Come on, yeah. Bounce, baby, bounce. Looks like they try to knock us down, but we kick their butts. And right now we're pushing $60.
I told my wife we are moving to the moon.
Ah, my TikTok. Yeah. All right. And next. AMC. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. Come on. Just get back up there. All right. So let's see if it can bounce off the 50 EMA. Ah, man. We are getting beaten up. They're beating us up right now. This is not the consolidation I was talking about. Nope, not at all. Come on. Don't reverse that. That was beautiful. You got to reverse now. Get back up there. Hmm. Let's get this post out here. All right, there we go. So it's trying to bounce off the 50 EMA. That would be very nice. Get back up over VWAP. Get back in that $61 range. That would be fantastic for today. Come on, baby. You can do this. Let's go, apes. Oh, man. Let's take a quick look-see to see how some of the other things are doing. Oh, man, yeah. MRIN. I knew it. It's below VWAP. Hopefully, it'll get a nice bounce. Let's see. We've got the 40 right there. And the 50 right here. So this is my setup. Like I said yesterday, I don't know how many of you watched, but I like to set up my RSI this way so I can see how many times it hits the 40. There we go. So it looks like if you notice this pattern here, it dropped down here to oversold, dropped down here to oversold, and then it's bounced off of the 40 quite a bit. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did bounce right back up to roughly right around VWAP. AMC making its move right back to 60 again, and it is above 60. Nice. It is at VWAP right now. VWAP is the volume weighted average price. Come on, baby. Let's go. Hells yeah. We are pushing, guys. 59.90. 59.84, 59.88. Looks like Marin's having a rough time, but it is pushing as well. It's at $9, and it is doing its best to get off that 40 RSI. So for those of you that have been watching MRIN, it has been a beast for the past couple days. So do I see it getting above VWAP today? I think it will. I really do. The way it's looking, it's really trying to push off that 40. So there is a good enough amount of buying pressure that that is being put on the sellers. So I think that possibly when we get into the day, I think it'll get back up to its high of the pre-market. Now, we just need AMC to do something as well. Let's see, anything going on here? Nothing, absolutely nothing. So AUUD was on my watch list today, and there it goes, guys. It is pushing VWAP right now. So that is pretty good news. Look at that. Did a 3-bar play, actually 4-bar play right there. That's what it's doing right now. It is above the 50 EMA. MACD's turned green. It's above the 50 RSI, actually 60. It's pushing the 60 RSI. So it's looking pretty good. So AUUD. Good one to watch. We got AMC at 59.13, so it's trying to hold. Man, look at AUUD. That is pretty. Let me just let my buddies know. There you go. Oh, look at it go. What a call. Beautiful. Above VWAP. I think it just halted, actually. Yeah, it looks like it halted. Just halted. What a runner. What a runner. Wow. See, right now I'm thinking I have $228 to play with, I think. So I like to play around with a little bit. Let's see, maybe buy 10 shares. Yeah, I think that's what I'll probably end up doing. That is pretty. So just got up above VWAP. I think, if anything, I think it's going to run even more. But this is not financial advice. I am just a smooth-brained ape that can't even tie his own shoes. So let's do this. Spread this out a little because it seems like it's a little tight. All right, and MRIN starting to do the push back to VWAP. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy 10 shares. Let's buy 10 shares at, let's see. So it's 826. Bid and ask. So we'll probably come right back down. But let's do this. Let's just, for fun. I'm playing around. 10 shares isn't going to kill me. So let's go ahead and do that at market. Let's see what it thinks market is. So market, it thinks 82.50 is, I'm sorry, $8.25 it thinks it's market. So let's go ahead and put that market order in right there. Just to play around. But I'm not telling you guys to buy. I'm not telling you guys to sell. This is just my opinion. But I think it's going to do something. So let's see what happens. I'm feeling good about it though, guys. I'm feeling good about it. How you guys like my Tigger cup? Woo, get excited, baby. Come on, focus camera. Why not focus? Wow. I think I have facial recognition on, that's why. It's my Tigger cup. It's when I feel excited. Ah, oof, yeah. Come on, AMC, you can do it. 59.50. So that was the pre-market high. 59.50 was the pre-market high. So let's see if it can possibly get up past $61. I think it can. I mean, honestly, today's a great day to do it. All right, so MRIN is still dropping. As you see, it's finally made it past the 40. It will probably make it to the 30, if not just a little below it, and then it'll bounce up a little bit, but I am not seeing much out of it right now. So my focus continues to be on AMC. 59.50, still hanging out at 15.51, 59.50. Jeez. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Come on, baby. 59.62. So we'll see if AUUD will buy me in after it unhalts. And then we'll just watch it and maybe make a couple bucks. But yeah, so you'll hear a little click clink sound, and that'll be when it buys me in. There it is. All right, so there it goes. So then I'm gonna change that to 10 bucks. I'm gonna put my finger on this and do the auto send there. So on this one here, guys, I am watching and watching. Let's see if I can make a couple bucks. Not gonna get greedy. So 8.96. Can it do 9.15 again? Let's see. Quick little scalp. Would be nice if it decided to continue up. It does have news, so that's good. It's got catalysts. All right. Let's see what this thing looks like on a 10-day 30. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. But it did come from $2.54 in 10 days, so I'm not gonna let it get too stretched out. Let's check the 180. So yeah, so it's at the high there. Yeah, high 180. So we're not gonna let this thing run too far. I always say make profit when you can. So this one's not much, but we're probably gonna let it go a little bit more. Maybe back into the 9s, because it looks like it's trying, although it did throw up a doji right there. AMC is at 59.72. Come on. See, it's oversold, or I'm sorry, overbought there on AUUD. It's overbought, it's dropping back down. So notice how this was $5 at one point. Now it's dropping, and now I'm losing money. So we'll see what it does. We'll see if it reverses again and goes up. Like I said, it's 10 shares, so it's not killing me right now. There is no pressure there. I don't don't mind playing around with a little bit of money. So we'll just continue to watch AMC. There we go. Turn green again. You gonna get up here? Oh. AMC 5970. Let's go. Wow, MRIN just got its butt kicked. It's at 850. Let's see what Alf's doing. Alf was a rocket there for a minute. Did it? 2250. Wow, it's beautiful. Alf was a fun one to watch. Let's see here. Let's see. TX, how you doing? All right. Looks like you're not doing much. It will though. The conference is on the 30th, so tomorrow. Tomorrow? Today the 29th. Yep, today's the 29th all day. AMC back at 59.30. So this bottom chart here, which you can see just this portion of, is the 5-day 5-minute chart. And the top one is 1-day 1-minute. And then I'm just looking at some other stocks here on the right, different tickers. This one here, I'm just doing a quick little scalp with 10 shares, nothing crazy. When I'm paying attention to AMC and it's writing this beautiful line here, this pattern, and it's trying to stay above 60, I try not to get too bogged down with other stocks. So we'll just continue to watch and see how it goes. But right now it's really struggling to stay above that 59. It's really struggling to get up to that 60 back at open. So 61 at open, and then it got its butt kicked. Once again, guys, if you haven't yet, and if you are watching and enjoying the show, or just bored and enjoying the show, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you get some yeah, because I could use your support. You know, I am trying to build this channel up. I worked very hard to make sure the quality's good, the sound's good. So at this point, all I'm waiting on is some more followers and some more likes. So yeah, there it is. I'm almost up to 1,000 followers on TikTok. So as soon as I get that up, then I will be able to do lives on there as well. And then I will get people to come into this stream a little bit more. And once I clear my funds out of ENTX, so I'm a day trader. And yeah, so there's that again. So I'm a day trader. So once I pull my shares or my money back out of ENTX, once this thing decides to skyrocket to like, you know, $10 or somewhere around there, 10, they're saying 14, but I think more on the lines of maybe 10. Then I'm gonna pull my money out and I'm gonna throw it into some other stocks. Right now, you're just going to get to see me trade little things like this, which, as you see here, so it got halted up, it gapped up, hit that 915, did a little consolidation. Now it's doing a three-line strike. That's what this is right here, guys. And with three-line strikes above VWAP, I'm always very happy to mark that and draw on it. So as I did with AMC, I'm going to do the same thing over here. So right here, guys, this is the three-line strike above VWAP. It's a great pattern to learn and use. So, hey, FYI, I just went crazy. Why'd you go crazy, man? You're in AUUD. Look it's going to go back up over 9. So you're good, bro. Not financial advice. It's just a smooth brained ape. So let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, look at that. Yeah, AMC, what are you doing? You're breaking my heart. Stop it. Stop it right now. Oof. Here's a just for a day and put back in AMC. Cool, buddy. Rock and roll, yeah. AMC is sitting at 58.62. It's not making me very happy, but I'm pretty happy that my buddy. Oh wow, okay, we just got notification that Mara, M-A-R-A, is doing something. So let's see what they are doing. Boom. Whoo. Wow. That's nice. $2 up. Looking good. It's pushing. Any catalysts? TPI Cap launching a cryptocurrency trading platform with Fidelity Investments and Standard Charter. Charter Digital Asset Custody Unit. Okay. There's some catalysts. So yeah, rock and roll. Whoever's in Mara is pretty happy right now. Let's go, baby. Come on, AMC. Get back to 59. All right, so yeah, go AUUD. Look at that, guys. So it did the three-line strike above VWAP, then it continued. It did a three-bar play right there, and now it hit $9.30, and it is continuing to rip. Come on. Oh, people are selling off. Look at it go. Look at it go. So once again, I'm not worried. It's 10 shares. It's $80. Once again, I'm going to continue to play with the stock market the way that I choose. You guys play the way that you do, because everybody's got their own opinion and it's their own money. So I can't tell you what to do with your money. Yep. AMC needs to get its stuff together. Wow, look at Mara. Ooh, 33, 65. It's going to be another high coming up. Another high coming up. Let's see. AMC is just having a rough time. Let's go, AMC. We need you to run. Mara ran up some too. The Bulls running in this morning. They are running this morning. We need them to run on AMC a little bit more. I would love that. But yes, they are. Whoa, AUUD getting its butt kicked to the 50 EMA. Surpassed the VWAP, surpassed the 20 EMA. Woo! Come on, baby. You know you want to get back up there. Especially after doing a 3-line strike. I mean, you can't leave me hanging like that. Right? Word? Yep. Distractions. Okay, so a buddy of mine just posted a comment, or actually text me. He said distractions come in many forms, but are always aimed at steering us off course. It's important to understand that the devil is not concerned with what keeps us from completing our assignment. He just wants to ensure that it doesn't get done. Salmo, AMC. Yeah, buddy. Come on, AMC. You can do it. You can do it, AMC. Let's go, baby. What's ears at? Come on, ears. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's getting its butt kicked. So everything else is seeming to run. And, hey, good morning, Prince Gaming. Nice. What's up, buddy? How are ya? There you go. Let's go, AMC. Get back up to 59 bucks. And then push past that $61. That would be lovely. All right. All right, let's see how GME is doing. Come on, computer, or whatever's going on here. Oh, GME's kind of getting its butt kicked as well. It had a horrible open. It dropped from about 215 down to 208. Now it's sitting at 208.66. So maybe AMC's feeling a little bit of that negativity, that down pull, because it does follow GME pretty well. There we go. All I needed to do was mention it, and it jumped up $2. Look at that. Look at here, huh? Ha ha ha. Gotta love it. All right. Come on, you can do it, GME. But man, this AMC nonsense is driving me insane. We need this to pull together and get out of this little funk that it's in under all these indicators. I would very much love it to be above VWAP. Oh man, I love it. People are great. Oh. This whole AMC movement, and I've got to say, just watching the market, it brings people together. Like, so this group that I'm in, um, there was a time where we were doing, where we were doing. Why does that sound funny? We were uh, we were meeting on Saturdays through Zoom. Oh, during COVID, uh, in the thick of it, we were doing Zoom calls and discussing strategies on how to do better with the stock market. And so we were discussing options. We were discussing just different companies, different tickers. Learning with each other through each other, and it was fantastic. There was some really educated traders in that room, and it was a lot of fun to hang out and do. So what I'm thinking is that eventually we will go ahead and do that again. It's just everybody's schedules change now that we're out of COVID. So yeah, yeah, we're all trying to get back to our regular lives of going out, enjoying life. Um, yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Lots of good people. I've met lots of good people. Lots of good people in all these communities, man. It's funny because, you know, this whole AMC movement couldn't happen if people didn't trust each other. Like if people didn't say, "Hey, you know what? Like we're all basing everything off the due diligence that other people are doing, which is totally fine. I mean, that's how we do it. I mean, well, some of us don't have the time to sit down and go scrolling through massive amounts of FUD and scrolling through stuff that is actually real. So we can't do it. But there's other people that are really good at looking at reading, the SEC's filings, looking at that stuff. Me, I'm okay at it. I'll read a couple and get lost in the mixture and have to look stuff up online just to make sure it's good. Um, I'm an ape, man. Hey, I'm from Poland. I came over when I was like 7 years old or something, and with my parents. So I was born in Poland, came over when I was seven or so, and I've lived in California, Orange County, most of my life. I was a little surfer kid. All I wanted to do in life was surf. Didn't care about anything else. Well, surf and skate, skateboard. That's it. That's all I wanted to do. And then I was playing football and got injured and met a crazy girl, super crazy. And she begged me to move out to Vegas, so I did right after high school. So I've been here since 2000. I graduated in 2000. So right after graduation, I packed up my shit. Oh, I packed up my stuff. I'm gonna have to bleep that somehow. I packed up my stuff and moved out to Las Vegas, Nevada, where I've been ever since. So I consider myself a local out here. But yeah, we're just trying to make it in our own ways through a lot of things. Each one of us has our own little problems, and you know, a community is supposed to be so you can lean on people and gain knowledge from them. And I love the fact that this AMC movement has done that for a lot of people. A lot of people have broken down a lot of barriers that they have towards communicating with other people like this. This is one of the barriers that I have. I get nervous of talking, uh, especially live stream. I mean, geez, I've been talking to myself, maybe one to two people in this live stream because this is all new to me. So I believe that we can work together and grow, or you know, as I say with AMC, we could stand strong together or we could fall apart. So that's how this thing's gonna end up. A lot of retail traders, if once again, not financial advice, just my opinion, but a lot of traders are going to sit there and they're going to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, which is all fine and good. Make your money, right? Take your profit. I do. So, but I have stopped with AMC. AMC is just going to hold my money until it hits the moon or goes past the moon or Jupiter or whatever. We'll see where it goes, but I do think I actually know for a fact that excuse me, I am not selling, not doing it. Nope, not gonna do it. So let's go AMC, make me proud. $58.17 is what AMC is at right now. It's kicking my butt. It's not the only one that's kicking my butt though. Looks like ENTX is also hurting me. For some reason, it doesn't want to click. My clicker is broken. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. 58 bucks. Cool. So with full transparency, guys, I'm going to show you what I'm in on ENTX. And then that'll just show you that, it's okay to hold on and not lose your money. I bought ENTX at $6.35. I have 800 shares of it. And right now my profit loss for the day is $212 on this one stock, one ticker. But you don't trade with emotions, so I'm not really worried about. Come on, AMC, you get your little butt up there. You knock this off, $57 crap. Knock it off. But yeah, so ENTX, I'm in 800 shares and I'm at $6.35 on that one. And it does have news. It's going to be coming out with its upcoming conference on the 30th about a pill that you can take for osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. Yeah, that's it. I'm having trouble. I'm a little tired today. A little sleepy. And that's it. We're out of coffee again. Man. Oh, man. So, yeah. Let's see what's going on here. All right. So it is 7:15. It's about 45 minutes since the bell, and we are at $50 or $58.30. AMC is trying to get back to the 20-day EMA on this screen here. It's working at it. It's trying hard, guys. We just need to support it a little better and push it forward. I think we can. Therefore, we must. And yeah, this was just a little goofy trade I did. I could have got out at $9.30, but look at that. I'm still holding. It's writing the 50-day EMA. Who cares? I'm not worried. I see this thing getting back to its regular $9.30, but I could be mistaken. at 8:30 when people wake up. Oh, which reminds me, I'm going to be in a meeting at 8:30, so I should probably set a stop. Let's see. Yeah, I'll worry about it later. Don't care. It's 10 shares. No biggie. All right. SEC Fed is live. Matt K has it on audio now. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and throw it up on audio too then. What do you think? Maybe I should. Let's pull up Matt Kors here and play his stream because he's a good dude and I enjoy listening to him as well. So here we go.
A small apartment, and I don't know if you can have like a duck in this. Like I feel like ducks, they want to be outside. They want to be doing duck stuff.
Wait a second. He doesn't have it on yet.
All right.
What did I miss?
AMC bouncing off of 57.90 right now at 58.50.
What I miss?
We're looking for a bull flag breakout, and also we just know that there's a bit of resistance at 59. We saw that today. We saw it yesterday as well. Actually, that was more of right here. We're up 1%, up 6.
Well,
okay. Right. Let's see what we could get cooking with.
As Trey says, cooking with Crisco. Let's go. Slap that ass. Wow, my voice just gave out. All right, well, we'll come back to his channel. Oh, what's this? Well, that was 2 weeks ago, so that doesn't matter. Just looking at some other feeds on YouTube. You know, trying to get through the FUD. There's a lot of FUD. Whoa. Let's not get crazy now. Come on, AMC. 58.48. Let's go, baby. Get up there. $58.51. AMC still trying to move. Oh, all right. So I typically like to tell people that you got to look for the 8 o'clock, 8:30 risers. Those people like to wake up, after the day's practically over. I'm sorry, I'm making fun. I shouldn't make fun. But yeah, so when that happens, you can see a lot of change in the market. Then you have your 9:45 dip and rips, and then you have power hour at 12. So right now in Las Vegas, Nevada, it's 7:20 in the morning, and you're on with Jarek with Bull Stocks. Here's my disclaimer. This channel will teach you how to scalp stocks for day trading purposes. Please do not copy our trades. This will end badly for you. And the reason I say that is because you are on a delay. So if I buy now and you buy when you hear me say that, and you buy high, that's your fault. This is not financial advice. I am but a dumb ape that can't even tie his own shoes. And I like red crayons. Sometimes they're green, but most of the time I like eating red crayons. Yeah. So let's see some rip in here. AMC. Let's go, baby. Let's go to the moon. We're at 58.42. We are under Hedgie watch. Who killed Hedgie? Oh man, they're in so much trouble. They have no idea. Like, they have no idea the magnitude of trouble that they're in. SEC just really needs to start enforcing a lot of stuff. Let's see, where are we at? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, AMC, to the frickin' moon, please. I'm gonna have to throw up a moon on the AMC chart. That's what I'm gonna have to do, right? Let's do a moon. Let's see here. Anything new? What does it do? We know what it does. All right. Well, you know what? Actually, this is a good time to learn something. So there's this little video I found here. It is going to explain what the United States Securities and Exchange Commission does for us, if anything, right? So AMC is at $58.82. It is trying to rip again. So we're gonna play this little video here. Let's see how we're doing on these other stocks real quick. Looks like they're also starting to rally a little bit, but who cares? As long as AMC is doing good, I am okay. I'm gonna play this quick little video for you here. Gonna get rid of Sir Ape, and I'm gonna get rid of the AMC, and I'm gonna play this quick little clip. It's only 3 minutes long. Let's see what you guys think. This will explain United States Securities and Exchange Commission. This was done by Joyful Investor. Go to his channel, give him a subscribe, hit the like button. He's got good stuff. So here, let's play this. And there you have it. That's all I got for you there. So, it's pretty interesting to see what they actually do for us. And yeah. So, what can the Securities Exchange do for us? The Securities Exchange Commission is supposed to be watching over us and making sure that people do the right thing and that what the hedge fund's doing doesn't happen. And unfortunately, they've slacked off a little bit. So that's why we have the problems we have today. And that's why we're all going to be filthy rich when AMC goes to the frickin' moon. All right. Biggest exchange in wealth is going to happen real soon. I am prepared to sit here and wait for it to happen. I am not afraid. I'm not selling my shares. I'm holding on. I am going to keep moving forward. And I suggest that, if you guys are enjoying it, hold your stuff. If you guys are freaking out because you're losing a little bit of money here and there, let it go. No big deal. So that's how I feel. Now that you know how I feel, let me know how you feel. Put it in the comments. All right, guys. Let's keep on going. AMC, 59 bucks. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. AUUD taking another little stab at VWAP. We'll see what it does. Come on, AMC. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's put Captain Ape back up there. Let's go ahead and hit the AMC logo. And we're going to make the apes. Whoa, geez, I keep doing that. I apologize for my incompetence there. Let's undo what I just did. Click that, and now we can do that. There we go. Apes, rise. Come on, baby. You can do it. 59.08. Let's see 61 again today. That would be beautiful to do today. I am super excited. I think we are going to the moon very soon. And I want to be able to show everybody, the naysayers, that they were wrong. They were wrong when they said, oh, AMC is dead. AMC's never coming back. I'll never say never. Because AMC is not dead. AMC is coming back. And it's not going to have a whole lot of competition. So, let's go, baby. It was so funny. So many people. No, man, it's not gonna hit. Oh my goodness, it hit $9. Oh no, man, it's not gonna hit 13. No, oh, it hit 13. Oh, wait a second, it hit 28. Oh, wait a second, 32? 72? Oh man, woo. And now you got everybody saying, oh dude, it'll never get to 100. Yeah, it won't get to 100 because it'll surpass 100 super easily. I think that once it gets above, if I'm going to be honest, I think once it gets above $80, I think it's fear of missing out. I think it's just gonna come alive. I'm super excited to see it. And that's why I'm doing these live streams, because I want to have it recorded. I want to be able to say, look, I was there. How many of you want to do that? It's a rise to the top. Let's go, AMC. Let's go. So, just to show you guys where I'm at with AMC, at the moment, I'm up 66 bucks for the day. My profit and loss since open at $49.24. I'm up $948, which isn't a whole lot, but it is enough for me to be happy, and I am not selling. So If you noticed, I took off the auto send. I'm actually going to take this down to 1 just in case something should happen accidentally. Want to make sure I don't sell my shares. So we'll go ahead and leave that at 1. The auto send is off. Close that. Close that. You guys saw my position in it. I'm super happy with it. I will probably be adding some more once this one here decides to do something for me. ENTX. I am waiting patiently for ENTX. I'm not saying that it's going to skyrocket, but in my opinion, I think once this conference happens or just before, it's probably going to do a little action for me, which I'm really hoping for. All right. AMC 5890. Let's see what the chart looks like a little closer. Wouldn't it be super cool to see this thing do a nice little cup and handle? I think that'd be great. So it's starting the bowl. Here's the bowl. Come on, baby. Get back up. Let's go. We got all day, AMC. We got all day. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. $59. It is trying super hard to get there. I'm going to go ahead and put my RSIs out here. But for that, I want to go out. Let's go to the 180. Oh, man, that's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so we'll set the RSI there at 40. And we'll set it at 50, or just about as close as we can come. And then we will take this chart back to the 1 minute, 1 day, 1 minute. See how my other feeds are doing. What website am I using to analyze? Reply. I am using TD. Ameritrade. Think or swim. Okay, cool. Oh man, AMC getting its butt kicked back down to 58.66. We're continuously watching AMC to see it do what we all want it to do, which is to go to the moon. I have my ticket. I'm just patiently waiting in line to board the spaceship. Let's go. Or UFO. We'll call it UFO. I don't care. I guess there's been more sightings, so. I bet you. Oh, you know what? Them extraterrestrials. Yeah. They want to get in on this AMC movement too. Oh boy. Let's go AMC. So I think what I'm going to start doing with these live streams, I think I'm going to stream live every morning. Maybe I'll start like 3:30 in the morning and just go over due diligence, just go over stuff that I find, possibly go over other people's due diligence, which is going over their videos or what have you. Because like I said, a lot of people don't have the time to do it. So sometimes it's good to have one of your fellow apes to fall on and have them pick you up. So yeah, so there's that. Oh, also, for those of you using TD Ameritrade, some fun things. When you have this open, you can hit dashboard, and you can do a buy sell right here. Set your quantity there. You can do that. You can do different charts down at the bottom. So this one here, this is a 30-minute, 10-day, 30-minute chart. So you can kind of analyze what the chart looks like instead of being zoomed in like here. Here you're looking at the 1 day, 1 minute. Wow, AMC just getting hammered right now. Come on, baby, pull it together. This is not, hey, this is not becoming of you, AMC. I am not happy with that. So now that I've given AMC a talking to, there we go, and switch. Oh, and for those of you that are curious what I got behind here, it's that, because I'm feeling bullish. So let's go, apes. Let's rise. Rise up. Yes, AUD has a nice little staircase up to upper floors. Yes, it does. So let's take a look. See here? Oh, okay, yeah. It's at $8. Oh man, AMC, you are just getting your butt kicked. Not happy. Not happy with you getting your butt kicked. I would prefer you to be a little bit higher, like 59. 59 makes me always feel good. 69 would be better. It's just a good number. I don't know. I laughed because it's funny. All right. Come on, baby. Let's take a look and see. MRIN, let's see how they're doing. Oh, nice. It recovered very nicely. Look at that, guys. So MRIN was sitting at 833, and it did a beautiful job coming out of it. Wow, that is pretty. Put that in the chat here. MRIN, nice recovery. There we go. So yeah, so now MRIN is above VWAP. AMC is at 58.62. Very nice recovery for MRIN. And let's see what had happened here. All right. Oh, wow. Look at this nice bull flag right here, guys. Call that a bull flag. It's gonna do some damage. MRIN is not done. Its high of the day was 1193. AMC's at 58.66. Oh, by the way, if you guys need some amazing headphones for doing video, I would strongly suggest these puppies. These are wonderful. So these are Audio Technica. They are also wireless. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on all my equipment that I am using, from how I set up my desk, my trading desk, to the equipment, roughly how much it costs to put it together. And yeah, because I think this is a good little setup that I've got going here. It's super easy to use. No issues. That is a nice setup. Good looking chart on MRIN. It's above VWAP, above the 50 EMA, and above the 20 EMA. We're starting to get a nice spread of all those. VWAP is doing, I mean, it looks great. There's not much I can say else about MRIN. Let's see, what other ones was I looking at? AUD, was it BSRT, I think? Was it BSRT? I know I looked it up, so it's got to be in here. BSRQR. Ha Oh, I love it. Look at that. This thing is also working on a beautiful chart. Zoom out here. Look at that. So when I found this thing, once again, it was under the VWAP, and now it has made it above VWAP, and it's moving to higher territory. Let's see if it revisits its high, its pre-market high of $6.45. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you that you should buy into this ticker. I am not telling you any price targets of this, except for my opinion, and that's all it is. It's just my opinion. So once again, take everything with a grain of salt. For those of you that are on, for those of you that are going to be watching later, if you're going to be watching later, I'd appreciate it, you know, if you guys hit that like and the subscribe and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, let's keep it moving here. How's Elf doing? Elf is still struggling. Okay. GME, where are you? Where are you at, GME? GME's looking like it's trying to form a little cup and handle. So there's the cup. Here it looks like it's starting on the handle. I'm really hoping that's what it's doing, because if it is doing it, then we're gonna move on that one. AMC needs to start moving a little bit. That's what we needed to do. Let's go, baby. Let's get a move on. Sweet. Just picked up a couple more followers on TikTok, so that'll be able to go live here soon. Only need 75 more followers on there. So for those of you that don't know, here is all my forgot what they're called right now. There's all those. So yes. If you'd also like to know how I did these little how I did this media, I can always tell you who to follow and where to get it, because who likes to pay for this stuff? I mean, I don't, right? AMC, see when they cover, and yeah, I know, right? So there's that. Go back to screen recording. Let's see if there's any new info that had come out. All right, what is this nonsense here? Your tab just crashed. Oh, did it? Oh, that's nice. All right, so let's go take a look at this real quick. So this is dark pool. Since we are past 6 o'clock, this should have updated. So let's look at AMC. So dark pool on AMC. All right, so here we go. So volume is 32,266,880. We have an average volume of 269,873 1,277. And then net volume 1,818,494. Net volume is 105,672,690. So this is what we're looking at for the dark pool AMC. So that's where we're at there for those of you that are watching. So here we go. AMC short volume table. And here is AMC on the 28th. We are in the 29th today. So this is from yesterday. All right. So that's what we have there on the dark pools. Let's see short data on AMC. Short data on AMC. Look at that, guys. Can you see? Can you see what the rock is cooking? No, just kidding. Anyways, yeah, F9. You guys, have any of you gone to see it? If you have, please comment below. That would be wonderful. So yeah, so we're looking at the 28th here. So that's where we're at. Volume 98,963. Let's see, AMC. So I've already covered that. So let's go and see what Stonk O Tracker has to say. Let's refresh this. 73,701 calls in the money expiring July 2nd. $60 call. Let's see. 28,405 calls in the money. We are at 950,000 shares available to borrow. And let's see here. YOLO Stocks. So YOLO Stocks Live is a fun site to go on for you to be able to view what's going on, who they're talking about. Oh, and look at that. AMC is in third position. It moved up from this morning, from yesterday. So that's really good news because it looks like we're starting to trend. Another thing I like to check is where we're trending on stock twits. Now, once again, do your own research, but this is just how I do it. And it looks like I'm covering AMC, but AMC's price is right here. So AMC is at 58.80. It is struggling to stay alive. By alive, I mean I want it to get to that 59 range. So let's keep it going, guys. Keep on pushing hard. What's a rocket now? What's a rocket now? What's a rocket now? What's rocketing? Like what's going off? Like what's firing? Because I believe we found, oh hey, look at that. AUD is approaching VWAP again, but I believe we were looking at MRIN. MRIN is a rocket now. MRIN for Mr. Rob H is rocketing now. So MRIN just hit $12.15. It is going past it, setting new highs. Keep on going, baby. Keep on doing. So there you go. And yeah, we're looking good, guys. We are looking good. AMC's at 58.75. And as I said earlier in my stream, when we approach that 8 o'clock hour is when the people start waking up because we got a lot of late risers. So there you go. All right. So AUUD is looking like it's starting to make some moves. Let's see where I'm at. I'm at 856 on it. Let's see if it'll reach its previous high of $9.30. This little circle here, this is a 3-line strike. I didn't label it, but I circled it just so you guys can see. And what a 3-line strike consists of, we'll make it really easy. I'll just zoom in right here for you. 3-line strike consists of bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, and I'm sorry, geez, I am tired. Bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, and a bullish engulfing candle that engulfs all 3 of these candles. And typically above VWAP, that's a super strong bullish pattern. Hope you guys enjoy that. And we're going back out. AMC 5863. Let's see, Marin is at $11.84. Let's take a look see here at their candles. These are the 1 day, 1 minute candles. It looks like it's doing pretty nice. You could consider this a 3-line strike as well. Nice big bullish flag, and that's where you have here. It's trying to do another bullish flag right over here. So if you guys are paying attention, that's what I'd focus on. So bullish flags typically mean it's in a bull pattern, as you see the bull trend here. And we'll zoom out of this a little bit just so you guys can see what's been going on with this. Will it get back to, let's go 5 day, 5 minute MRIN. So even on the 5 day, 5 minute, $12.17 is its high. So look at that. That's a beautiful pattern, beautiful chart. It did consolidate and now it took off again. So pay attention to your charts, guys. They will tell you roughly, not guaranteed, we'll call it about 75% will tell you where it's going, what it's going to do. And so this one here is going to surpass its high. You can just tell. There you go. 1220, 1230, 1245. For those of you that are in MRIN, good job. Beautiful. It's a $4 swing, guys. This morning it was at $8.37. $4.20, $4.19. There you go. It keeps going, keeps on running. So guys, pay attention to your charts and your stocks. I have to alert my buddies again. MRIN. Rockets armed. There you go. Now we just need AMC to do that same thing. So let's go back here. Come on. Don't be so mean. AMC, let's go, baby. To the moon. I even got Mr. Space Ape, Captain Ape, saying, let's go. Let's do this. I'm excited. If you guys just joined this stream, go ahead and hit the like, the subscribe, say hi in the chat. I would love to say hello. And yeah, we're going to be doing this quite a bit every morning. I'm going to try to hop on at 3 a.m. just to go over the due diligence that I find, other people's due diligence. I'm going to do my best to avoid FUD because there is a ton of it out there. Motley Fool, it's all FUD. Yes, I do. Sorry, I had somebody ask if I think MRIN is going to go somewhere this afternoon. I think so, but this is not financial advice. I am out of coffee again. Dang nabbit. All right, so AMC is at 58.39. I'm feeling very bullish So let's get this going, guys. Let's go. I am gonna have to pack my things and go here in about see 25 minutes. I'm gonna have to go to a meeting, but it's okay. No big deal. I should be back somewhere around 10 o'clock. Not sure if I'm going to do another live stream or if I'm just going to do a video on setting up Thinkorswim. Where are we here? Let's see. So, as I was saying earlier, I like to get on StockTwits and just see what's going on, what people are talking about, what's trending. So here on StockTwits, I like to let you guys know what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So we're just going to leave that open. All right. Getting messages in text, getting messages on YouTube, getting messages on Facebook. It's fun. I am loving this. This is a lot of fun. You guys are fun. So let's go and see what is trending on StockTwits. So on StockTwits, we have let's just take this down here so we can still see AMC up here in the left-hand corner. But what's trending now? AMD, MRIN, INDI, HITI. Good job on that one. AUUD, that's 39% up. Nice. MRIN is up 65%. So there's a lot of chatter going on about some stocks, which is distracting from AMC, and I think that's where we're getting a little clobbered. But the fact of the matter is still, and this is what makes me super happy, is we're still above $58, which is making Hedgies super unhappy and uncomfortable. So let's just keep it going, fellas. And see, I'm going to share my idea here because I'm super happy with AMC. Let's go, apes. Keep your simple, smooth brains focused on AMC. No distractions. Hit the like if you like. I am ape here. Come on, AMC, let's go, baby. Ay. I don't like it when it's, dropping down like that. I like it when it's rocketing up. And I am seeing, I honestly believe it's going to get up over 60 and it's going to close the day off above 60. Come on. And there we go. Now I posted. Woohoo! Go AMC. So if you've just entered the room, please go ahead and say hello in the chat for me so I can say hello back. It's nice to see some people in here so I'm not just talking to myself. Yes, I know this is going to be a video recording, so, I'll post it. People will see it. I'm not technically talking to myself, but I'm excited to see what you guys think, where you think AMC is going. I think AMC is gonna rock it. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. All right. So AMC $58.10. There we go. Bobby throwing up the gorillas. Heck yeah, gorillas in the chat. Awesome. Bobby, you are the man. Let's see. All right, there we go. Stock Twits is now liking the message. Fantastical. And AMC 5817. Come on, AMC, get it together. Let's go, rockets armed. AMC rally, where's the rally? I got a message on TikTok. AMC rally? Where is the rally? Oh, it's coming. We rallied this morning. Rallied a bit this morning. We will rally again. And Diamond Hand Strong. Boom. Okay, fun times. Let's go. AMC to the frickin' moon. 5809. That's not good enough for us. Not good enough for us. Not good enough for you. AMC, you're worth more than that. I do believe so. Very much so. $58. Yeah. Come on, AMC. 5809. Let's go. Let's get up back to 5960 here very shortly. Please share. Until they are forced to cover, they will continue digging their hole. Short more Kenny and burn all your money. Yes, Kenny, do that. So let's see here. Must read AMC is on NYSE. SHO threshold list. Yeah, we know that. I already put that up today. Let's see. It was right here. NYSE exposed hedges with FTD's threshold securities. So if you guys want to know more about this, go to the beginning of this video, and that's where it is. Yes, AUD will continue to do its thing. It looks good. But yeah, so if you guys want to read this, then go ahead and read it. It is at the beginning of this video. I read it out loud. So yes, Hedgie is screwed. And they're going to continue to be screwed because we're not going away. All right, shares available is at 900,000 now. Calls in the money 73,701. What is this more? Okay, volume is effed up. Yes, we know that. I think we've got a chance today. Let's see where we're at with the conversation. And we are still in third place for conversation on Wall Street bets. Last 24 hours is updated June 29th at 11:04 a.m. All right. AMC, come on, baby. 5826. Let's take a look and see what's going on here with these other stocks. Looks like Marin's down to 1148. We'll keep it going. All right, so looks like AUD just did that's a 3-bar play below VWAP. That's a 3-bar play at VWAP. So we're looking pretty good. I'm not worried about that. Like I said, I got a couple shares of it. I got 10 shares. Nothing Nothing big. I'm down $1.52 right now. Whatever. Don't care. Looks like it's trying to do something, but it keeps getting shut down. Good stretches. Oh, yeah. Woo. Lightheaded. Fun times, guys. Good. Escrow is now open. Awesome. Heck yeah. That is really good. Come on. AMC, what are you doing? Man, it's below all my indicators. It's just chilling. It's losing momentum because look at the volume. The volume is just not fantastic, guys. It started off really good. Hit that 61 bucks, then took a little break. It relaxed. And if you guys have been watching my videos, I'm more than certain that AMC, it does this a lot. And actually, oh wow, look at that. It's getting a butt kicked. MRIN got up to 1275. Nice. All right, so AMC, I'm gonna go out here. Let's go 10-day, 30 minutes. So if you look at the 10-day, 30-minute chart, AMC has been just all over the place, right? But look at this pattern here. So this is a double bottom, and then whoop, and then skyrocketed. Did a good job. Oh no, it's stop it, AMC. Don't you dare break that 40. Oh, you break that 40, I'm gonna be super ticked off at you, buddy. Just kidding. So yeah, so double bottom. Here it double bottomed and then got back up. And then we were at 61.02 right here. So notice this is a line of very hard resistance. $61 is very tough to get through. So I'm gonna put a little mark there. But after that 61, I mean, the next resistance I see is going to be at $62.39, 32 cents, somewhere around there. And we'll get there. It's going to get up there. I'm not worried about it. It's AMC. As I've said before, I don't think Hedgies is the only one playing with this, guys. It's also us. We're playing around with it. And I think if we really focus on looking at it from this angle, it looks bad. I mean, it's eating up a lot of the profit we did in pre-market. It's eating it up. But that's only if you look at it from this angle. Perception is everything, right? So back out of it, do a 5-day, 5-minute. This looks bad, right? Doesn't it look bad? It's all right. We're not doing bad. We're doing good. Because if you back out, look at this. So 57.51 is our support. So that's support right there, 57.51. I'm really, really hoping it doesn't get that far. But if it does, it's all right. I'm not scared. You guys need to have patience. This is not a sprint. Okay. As Trey has said many a time in his videos, that you're going to the electric chair, would you go fast or slow? Hedgie is going to wiggle and jiggle and try to get out of it as much as he can. But we all know there's no way out. The only way out is death for Hedgie. Yeah, bankruptcy is going to happen. There's, for sure. I think I saw a news feed. Move this over here so I can bring that up. I thought I saw that we cost Hedgie like 12. Oh no. Amazon just thumped us. Took us out of third place on Wall Street Bets feed. This is top 15 tickers in the past 24 hours. It looks like Amazon is kicking our butt. Yeah. Wonder what happened. I mean, it moved up a little bit. It moved up 56 positions. So, just because I'm curious now. Come on, AMC. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. But now I'm curious. I want to see what Amazon is doing. So let's see. Amazon. Whoop. Amazon. Wow. Fingers. Come on. So Amazon. I mean, I don't really see what's going on. It's not reportedly pressuring suppliers for a discounted stake in their businesses. Wow. All right. Horrible. So, good news or bad news? It's going to pop up in here, just so you guys know, if you're listening. How's Elf doing? 1628. That's not great. UT is getting its butt kicked. Ears is getting its butt kicked. I mean, ears barely moved, so no big deal. ENTX. I'm getting my butt kicked. It's at $5.85. I'm in at $6.35. So, yeah, let's go ahead and close that one up. Go back to what I was doing. AMC 5788. Yeah, I was gonna go ahead and search and see what people say. Let's just Google. So let's go. No thanks. Let's go AMC. Cost hedge fund. AMC bet by hedge fund unravels thanks to meme stocks. Yep. How much will hedge funds lose? How much will hedge funds lose? So Mudrick Capital made roughly 5% return on debt it sold, but after accounting for its options trade, the fund took a net loss of 5.4% on AMC. Right, so that was Mudrick, which, from the interview that Trey had with Adam Aaron, Adam Aaron said that Mudrick Capital actually gave him a loan when no one else would. So, yeah, who's to say? Who's to say? Who knows? Fund turned the tables on Reddit. Hedge funds lost 10% in just a few days after a sudden spike. This was June 11th. So let's see. Let's see what this one says. Who's this by? Insider. Okay, Insider. I'm not upset with Insider. But hedge fund lost 10% in just a few days after a sudden spike in AMC. Stock derailed an options trade, new report says. So that's cool. Oh, it's still talking about Mudrick Capital. They lost 10%. Oh, yeah. You know what? Let's take a look here. I just realized something. Cost Citadel. I want to write the other word, Citadel. There we go. All right, Planet of AMC Apes' biggest market enemy isn't Citadel? Who wrote that? That was June 10th. Who cares? FrankNez.com. Citadel losses. Loses billions. Hedge funds are getting dragged. When was this written? Let's see what this dude says. This was June 27th. Okay, so this is very recent. Citadel loses billions. Hedge funds are getting dragged down. Yes, they are. Hedge funds lose. Yep, there we go. Hedge funds such as Citadel and Melvin Capital are losing billions of dollars and fast. They're shorting a stock that is no longer on the brink of bankruptcy. This company is AMC Entertainment, and its rival is thanks to, no, I don't want to read that. Thanks to the millions of retail investors buying the stock, Citadel is one of the largest hedge fund managers in the world, and they've subsequently managed Melvin Capital to the ground. Melvin Capital suffered a loss of over 50% its first quarter in 2021 due to shorting AMC Entertainment and GameStop. Yeah, baby. Come on, AMC. Get your butt back up there. 5807 AMC. All right. So let's see. It's first quarter. Yep, we already read that. At some point, you'd expect your clearinghouse to raise awareness on your risk management, right? When you manage a group of hedge funds, you are responsible for the company's success and failures. What's even more insane is that the short sellers continue to go against the tide despite suffering billions on paper. Citadel might just end up bankrupting some of its partners. Yeah. Figured that much, right? So AMC retail investors now have the lead in this war versus short sellers. Newcomers are joining sub-communities and doing some detailed digging themselves. Bigger personalities are talking about AMC Entertainment. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Guys, we already know that, right? Life is AMC right now. I am 100% on board. I am not selling my shares. I couldn't care less. I am not selling. It's going to be a long time, guys. So as you all know, because I've showed you, I've shared where I'm at on AMC. On AMC, I'm sitting at 100 shares, $49.24 is my average price. So there you go. That's where I'm at there. And that is not going away, guys. We are holding until we go to the moon. So back to reading here. So let's see. Here we go. Where did I end up? Big personalities talking about it yet. Where do we start? Okay. What collectively started out as a small community back in January is now being mainstreamed. There's no going back. This group of retail investors only know forward. That is so true. Man, that gave me goosebumps. I've got goosebumps. So then we have Mr. Monkey here, CNBC, biggest FUD spreading company there is. I cannot stand CNBC. They can literally go eat my shorts or their shorts or whatever. So this is Jim Cramer. He has publicly thrown short sellers under the bus. In a recent video discussing the power of the retail investor community, anyone shorting AMC or GameStop is out of their mind. Wall Street Bets is too powerful, and trying to bet against them right now is just giving them more ammo. Jim Cramer, while you're not wrong, retail investors within the AMC community are known as apes, not Wall Street Bets. That is true. Ding, ding, ding. Tell him what he's won, Johnny. All right. So I actually have a video about him saying those exact words on YouTube. So if you guys want to go back to it, you can take a look. There's some recordings there about FUD. Yeah, so I was super happy that he said that. And we're going to continue reading this little thing he's got out here. Let's see, where are we here? Jim Cramer is the host of Mad Money on CNBC and is a former hedge fund manager. AMC is at $57.92. So it is trying its best to keep its head above water there. Investors shorting AMC and GameStop are estimated to have lost 754 million on Tuesday, June 25th. I'm sorry, May 25th alone. When was this written? Am I so tired that I... Yeah, June. Okay, cool. Woo! I'm silly. All right. Looks like we got more friends asking questions, so that's cool. All right, I had somebody say that AMC is shorted 130% in dark pool. Well, is it? I thought I had that pulled up earlier. Let's see. Oh, let's refresh. And AMC. I don't see 130%. Interesting. Where was I? So yes, here we go. Hedge funds such Citadel. You have Jim Cramer. There's all that. Host of that. So, yep, I read that right there. Ortex. So Ortex is software that provides the most timely and accurate short interest available. They provide users with intraday and historical data for data cover, shares on loan, utilization rate, cost of borrow, and free float on loan. If you guys watch Trades or Matt Kors, they talk about Ortex quite a bit. More hedge funds under Citadel's management will be incurring losses very soon. If they haven't already, AMC Entertainment and GameStop stocks are just getting started. When Citadel needs capital to cover positions, who do you think they're going to collect it from? They've already liquidated accounts in both the stock and crypto markets. Up next, the hedge funds they manage. So, let's see. This is Peter Hillsberg, co-founder of Ortex. The sharp price increase can cause short position holders to try to close their positions by buying back the shares, causing additional demand, which in turn cause the share price to go up further. AMC Entertainment defies Wall Street analyst predictions. Yes, duh. I mean, guys, so many analysts put price targets that are just nuts on companies. And speaking of one company in particular, there was a little thing with a company called Vuzix. VUZI is the ticker. Company was kicking butt. It hit a price of $32, and then a stupid company comes out, a stupid analyst comes out and says that the company, its price target is like, I don't know, $15 or something. It was ridiculous. So then it literally dropped the price down tremendously to where people were just thinking, oh man, should I be selling my stuff? So then they got scared, and the FUD scared them away. And then that company actually said that they were really doing that just to get more shares. But anyways, there you have it. So FUD. Everywhere we look, we see FUD. Go AMC. It is at 58.01. So keep on moving, Bubba. Keep on moving. All right, it is 8:27 a.m. and retail investors now own 80% of AMC Entertainment. Approximately 3.2 million retail investors currently own AMC Entertainment stock. AMC Entertainment is the most traded stock in the market at the moment. New retail investors want piece of the action. Heck yeah. Boom. You know what? I'm going to play this little thing for you, even though it's on CNBC, which I'm not fond of. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it right now. So let's listen up, guys. Shan't we?
Not a great week to be betting against AMC or a lot of these meme stocks as they rebound here. We've got some new updated stats on just how much traders betting against AMC, GameStop, and Virgin Galactic have lost this week. The total, it's now $2.8 billion in just the past 4 days. And yesterday alone, they lost just under $1 billion. That's for AMC, GameStop, and Virgin Galactic, which are among the most shorted names. That's according to data firm Ortex. And we'll pull out AMC numbers specifically. Take a look here. That stock surge has resulted in $1.3 billion in losses for the shorts there. That's according to data from S3. And short selling, guys, may be part of what's really driving this rally. If traders are trying to close out their positions, they might need to buy back those shares, causing additional demand and boosting those prices. AMC stock has more than doubled this week, and according to S3, about 20% of its shares are sold short. That's about 4 times the average for the typical U.S. stock. It's also heavily traded, at least it was yesterday. It was the most active stock on the New York Stock Exchange with nearly 700 million shares trading hands. That's about 7 times its 30-day average. Meanwhile, mentions of AMC on Twitter, Reddit, we're seeing it everywhere. Those are on the rise. A couple of hashtags to bring you this morning. Hashtag AMC Squeeze and AMC Strong are both trending this morning.
I guess it might help if I turn my mic back on. Well, there you have it, guys. I guess AMC is doing pretty good. It is back at 58 bucks. What I was saying here earlier was, hey, CNBC, I guess they can tell the truth sometimes. Biggest FUD spreaders ever. I'm not a fan of CNBC by any means. But right here, AMC's market cap, 426 million to $31 billion. Let's see, to $31 billion. The truth is, people want to keep the movie theater business alive. Yes, that is 100% true. I do want to keep the movie theater business alive, and I think that AMC is a great company to do that with. All right, so AMC 5786. All right, and where is what I was getting to? Right, darn it. I love this part right here. Retail investors are sticking it to the man who celebrated the economy collapse of 2008, all while taking opportunity to make life-changing trade as AMC Entertainment boils for a short squeeze. And by golly, we're going to do it. We're going to short squeeze. But guys, once again, I appreciate you guys coming on and joining me on the live stream. It has been fun. It's been a long morning so far. AMC will recover. This is not financial advice. I am a dumb ape with, let's see. I think I like the red crowns better. Yeah, I like to eat red crayons. So let's go with that. We're going to go ahead and close that down. We're going to scoot this over here because I am feeling bullish. So put the bull right behind all that. I've got to get out of here because I got to go to a real estate meeting. It's no fun, but it's no fun leaving you guys, you know, even though I only had like 2 or 3 of you. Bobby, I appreciate your support. Ron, thank you very much for joining. Rob H, thank you. And let's see, and Prince Gaming, thank you very much for coming on and hitting that like button. I truly appreciate the support. I'm going to put this screen on one more time just to show all the social media channels that I'm on. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications when I'm on. This channel is going to grow slowly, but I hope to be spreading a lot of good information and no FUD. This is a no FUD zone, guys. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and trade smart.